What up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be going over Bitcoin and why do I have these alerts set up here? Why do I have these trend lines? All that fun stuff. So we're going to be going over that. And before we do, make sure you guys are signing up to the Discord. It's linked down below. And also, do not forget to sign up to my other YouTube channel. It's the altcoin channel where I go over altcoins and stuff like that. So, yeah. Big shout out to the community so far, you guys. I appreciate all the likes, I appreciate all the comments, and big shout outs to all the people who are joining over on the Discord, people that are signing up to bybit to get access to my Neo's ideas section, where I'm basically kind of giving away some ideas, you know what I mean? But yeah, look at all these new members. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. So what we can see here is that we had this trend line on Bitcoin that was holding us down as resistance. We broke through. Then we came back down, resistance. So you can count this as kind of like a little bit of a deviation. And then we can also kind of look at this as like a possible triangle that's happening, a larger triangle that is basically happening here. So if you count this as a deviation, but to be honest with you, I'm not the biggest fan of trend lines and stuff like that, even though I do teach it over in my course about trend lines, wedges, and triangles and stuff like that. So if you want access to the course, just message me on Discord. It is paid, but I do also down below have a link to a free playlist on YouTube. But yeah, so we do have this. So the main thing here is that, like I was telling people in my Neo's ideas section here, is that we have some of these possibilities showing up here. The main thing is this harmonic that we are looking at here. And again, if you don't understand harmonics, that is right here, harmonics in 3 drives. But we do have this harmonic possibly showing up, and this is what a lot of people like to call double bottom or W pattern, where you have the price doing this, or you can look at it starting from here. Let me just delete this real quick. Or you can have it starting from here, you know, you W pattern or whatever. And then people always say, okay, once you break the whatever it is, then you can go ahead and do one of these numbers. But, you know, it is what it is, right? But that still fits into the harmonic pattern of, you know, this right here. This is a harmonic pattern right there. So, anyways, so that's something that we could be actually looking out for, right? But first things first is we got to take these things level to level. We first have to get by the possibility of it could turn into a harmonic like this. Right, so we first could come up to this 618 area. You can see here's the numbers right here. We could come up to this 618 area, take out all these highs, hit this 618, boom, hit that 37K psychological level, and then just start to bounce back down. And also too, so that is a possibility. So if we're going to trade it level to level, let's just kind of see what's going on here. I am long from down here at 28,911. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Is this it right here? No, that's my second long that I took. This is in my Neo's ideas. Again, you only get access to that if you sign up using bybit down below. You let me know, and then I'll give you access to this section right here. And so, but anyways, yeah, we longed here. That's a 7%er. I think it's even more right now. Yeah, it's more than 7%. And if we go over to the wins, you see Max is out here killing the game. Here is one of the trades that I took profit on, 28,911, and then the other one over here is at 30,700. So we're in 2 pretty sexy longs, one right here and then one right here. So definitely looking for my first take profit, my take profits to hit for this one and for this one if we do take this high right here. Now, I have already taken profit. These are basically free trades right now, so that's a good sign, or that's a good thing to make sure that you are taking profit and you are making sure that you're covering all of that stuff. And so, yeah. But anyways, that's what we're looking for right now. Or, you know, but this has been, we do have to keep in mind, this whole section right here has been a very, very strong support and resistance zone, I guess you could say, where we had this acting as resistance, all the resistances here, resistance, support. I mean, I'm sorry, this is all support over here. I need to maybe watch my own damn video on support resistance, right? This was support, then it flipped into resistance. So if we break through here, you know, we could be looking at the 37K area, and it's possible that we do have a naked point of control coming in somewhere around this level. So this is a little consolidation area right here. Let's go ahead and throw that like this, and let's just put our little section like this. So that's coming at 37,600. So if we do fly all the way up here, hit this area right here, the 6.9, you know, that could be a little naked point of control that we need to be looking out for. But for the most part, around this area is 37K, a plus or minus 500 that we could be looking for to the upside. Now to the downside, if we do come down from here, well, we have some possibilities to be looking at, because again, like I said, I do have this set up here. We have the 618 coming right in here at the right under these lows. That's looking pretty sexy. So you can come down here, fill in all these inefficiencies, and then you could come down here, take these lows, and then stop right here and then pop back up. That's the first level. So the first level that we'd be looking at is somewhere around here, and then the second level would be somewhere around here. When I say here, you guys, again, if you want more specific levels, if you want more specific ideas, again, make sure you're joining the Discord and then signing up to use Bybit, link down below, and you can get access to the ideas. But furthermore, if you want to know how to do this, right, again, that's when you can use the free trade list below from videos from other YouTubers, or you can join my course and, you know, get free access to having one-on-one lessons with me. Okay. And also too, we are doing a trading competition. So it's a weekly competition where whoever wins the week gets I don't know, maybe like $100 or $200 reward or something like that. So make sure you guys are also joining the Discord for that as well. So yeah, these are the ideas that we're currently going over, that we're currently thinking about in the group. Again, as you guys can see, we do have these traders and charters section right here, where people are posting up some of their charts. Again, look at this. This is absolutely insane. This is the, I mean, that's fucking crazy. Max is out here killing the game. So yeah. And again, we do this on a daily basis, so make sure you guys are hitting that like and subscribe button, turn the notification bells on, and I think that that's about it for right now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.